Hello dearies, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you are welcome. So our last pedicure video is doing really well. Thank you very much for watching and dropping your lovely comments. And today we're going to be having another pedicure session at the salon. I hope you enjoy it. For this session, we're going to be using the pedicure machine, the sea salt, callus remover, pedicure cream, foot scrub with peppermint, pedicure lotion for the massage. This contains antiseptic, foot scraper, the pumice stone, callus remover, the foot brush, cuticles remover, of course antiseptic to get rid of germs. So she added some hot water into the pedicure machine. This is what my feet looked like before the pedicure. This is the amount of colors I have gathered already. Notice that the colors isn't that much, so for this she won't be adding the callus remover to my foot. She'll be dropping some amount into the water. Then she added some antiseptic into the water and of course the liquid callus remover. Then she went in with some sea salt. She wore her gloves so she could apply the pedicure cream all over my foot. This will help soften the calluses. We let the softener sit for a while before I immersed my foot into the pedicure machine. So she let my foot stay in the pedicure machine for as long as 15 to 20 minutes. This particular pedicure machine has a massager. So while your foot is getting softened, it massages also. At the end of 20 minutes, it was time to get rid of the calluses, so she set the blade into the callus remover and started scraping off the calluses. This is a very therapeutic process. Getting rid of the calluses is a really fun to watch, so I hope you enjoyed this. The dead calluses are falling off and giving room for fresh foot skin to appear. The final result is going to wow you, so just stick with me. And remember, if this is your first time of joining this amazing community, I'll be glad if you hit the subscribe button now so you can always watch other amazing videos. Remember to also turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever we have a new one up for you to watch. The scraping continued, and the pedicurist took her time to do this very important part of the pedicure. She finished with one foot and went to the other one and did the same thing. You can see the amount of calluses she got rid of down there on the floor. Crazy, right? Then she went ahead to clean the cuticles. This is also a very important part The cuticles had softened already because we had them in the water for a long time, so she didn't have to apply the cuticles gel. She explained that if she did, my cuticles might become too soft and I might get hurt while she's getting rid of them with the cuticles remover. She took her time to do this because what is a pedicure without your clean cuticles? Just enjoy this process. She finished with one foot, did the other foot, and then she went ahead to file the nails. She finished the filing and used the buffer to smoothen the nails. She finished off and had my feet back into the water to soften some more before she could start with the scraping. This stayed in the water for another 5 minutes because it had been out for quite a long time because of the cuticles process, the filing, the buffing. Then my foot got out and the scraping began. Notice that the calluses had been gotten rid of and it was time to scrape. So the scraping is an important aspect because it helps smoothen the rough patches the callus remover had left. Remember that the callus remover is a blade and oftentimes leave rough patches. So what the scraper does is it smoothens those rough patches and leaves your foot with an even smoothness. She was done with the scraping and it was time to exfoliate the skin with the foot scrub and the pumice stone. So with an amount of foot scrub on the pumice stone, she started exfoliating my skin by rubbing the pumice stone over my foot. This is a very important aspect because you need to get rid of the dead cells on the food so fresh cells can grow out. This is the essence of the exfoliating, and you can only achieve this with the pumice stone and the foot scrub. So pay attention to this step when you're doing your pedicure. When she was done with the exfoliating, she dropped some foot wash on the brush and used it to wash my foot. This also helps to get rid of dirt, get rid of dead cells, and of course, leave your foot refreshing. She repeated the process on the other foot, and I had my foot back into the water. Afterwards, she washed off. Look at my new foot, looking all fresh, looking all clean, looking all healthy. Remember what it looked like before we started, and this is what it looks like now. And it was time to massage the foot. So using the pedicure lotion, which contains lots of essential oil for the massage, she took some amount, applied it all over my foot, and began the massage process. I hope you enjoyed this. A pedicure session is never complete without this massage session. You need this, you deserve this. It is very therapeutic because you work on your food. You do a lot of things with your food, so you need it to be massaged. You need to get them up and running again. You need this massage to get your blood flow. You also need your massage for effective blood circulation. You need them to ease up tightened muscles. You need it to reduce the tension. And you also need this for relaxation and to ease pain because you work on your food. You need to ease all that pain you've gathered. So let us motivate you to go for your pedicure soonest. She finished off with one foot and proceeded to do the same for the other foot. And we are done. This is what my foot looks like after all that long process. Remember what it looked like before we started? This is what it looks like now. So then it was time to put on the nail polish. This is the final part. She started off with using the transparent nail polish. Then she went ahead to use a colored polish for the coating. I opted for red. I wanted red. It's beautiful, isn't it? Let me know your favorite nail polish color, or you can suggest a better color for next time. And when I do, I'll come back here and upload the video for you to see. She finished off with the final coating, and besties, we are officially done. Look at my happy fit, breathing life, refreshing. I can feel my blood circulation working fine. The tension is eased. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate that greatly. Thank you very much for staying till this end. I hope to see you again in the next video. Until then, be good, be well. Namaste. Bye.